Energy-saving, stable, smart, and long-lasting. A high-quality air compressor should deliver all these merits. Today, we're introducing the Huada 2.0 series, two-stage permanent magnet variable frequency screw air compressor. This is its intelligent core, a 7-inch color screen controller that displays power consumption, pressure, and temperature in real time. It comes standard with Huada's Smart Cloud IoT system, enabling remote monitoring via mobile phones and early warning of equipment faults. Boasting cutting-edge two-stage compression technology, the unit injects oil for cooling post-primary compression prior to secondary compression. It delivers drastically enhanced performance. Volumetric efficiency rises by almost 20%, with electricity savings reaching roughly 25%. It fits wide-ranging industries including wastewater treatment, textiles, food processing, pharmaceuticals, and more. The Huada 2.0 series delivers more efficient, intelligent, and worry-free compressed air solutions. We look forward to establishing long-term win-win cooperation with you.